Good morning guys, welcome back to another video. So we're about to head to the track. We're gonna go get gas for my car because Ra's car runs on E85 and my car obviously doesn't. So we've got some gas containers and stuff, so we're gonna shoot to the gull, fill up them, and yeah, we'll be good to go. Nick's just chucking in some chairs in the back of the van, and yeah, we'll get to the track and see what we're doing for our plan of attack to keep this thing cool enough. G'day mate.
Some fresh wheels in the back, mate.
Fucking oath. Alright, so we've made it to the track and the boys are washing this thing. Like, this is the first wash it's had in like Jesus. Oh, the extra bit of guards over there too. You can like tech screw that motherfucker. Yeah, techie that bastard on. Oh, nice red rims. Hey. Okay.
Yeah, you should video the good looking car.
Good looking car. Yeah, I'll video the yellow one.
Go on then. Sorry, bro?
So like a good amount, are you talking about back this way? Yeah, you come.
So just come back in from driver's briefing and my car's all up on the jack and shit. What's going on here? You can't unless you get smaller wheels or space them out. Oh, you pure just took it off. Why didn't you just cut it? Whatever, I don't give a fuck. Like, as long as the thing stays there. Got a new fan there, eh? Famous word. Just fucking thrash it.
Turn the music back on.
Turn the music back on, eh, brother? Rolling deep with the boys.
Rehearse the movie.
So what are you trying to do here, mate?
Nothing.
No, we're just doing the check, bro. Cutting shuts for the Winmar, bro. So yeah, unfortunately I didn't put the TSD caster arms in because I never had time to get in alignment. But yeah, it's rubbing on them, but it is what it is. But they're gonna chuck some of this water wetter. I don't know how much wetter you can get from water, but took off the radiator support too, but it's in there mint. We should be good. Yeah, so we're going to be out for practice in about 10 minutes or something. You can if you want. See how it goes without them, because if you...
Well, we need a spray bottle so when they come in the arm.
I know, yes. But what we're going to do is make sure that this is fine without squirters, because in battles you're not allowed to use squirters. Oh, so make sure this is going to work. And if it doesn't, then we have to come up with another idea. But I don't see why not. Look how much, like that was blocked before.
Yeah.
So it should be all good.
We'll run it up.
The bro's learning how to just do vortexes straight in there. Mint. Under there got it going on, but you know, got a good jack. Got our slip stands as backups, so this poor car is going to get a fucking hiding today. Alright, sweet, so Ra's just going to line up for practice. We've got Crawler over here and Bronce's bike and Andy's car just on show. Like, that's where the hard park's going to be, but just easy to have them on this side of the fence so people don't fuck with them. People can still look at them and stuff, and yeah. We'll head up into the stands and have a look and see what's going on. I actually missed it because I went to the toilet. But
It's not too bad. It was about 109, 110 when I come off.
Still warm.
Yeah, it was about
Drill holes.
yeah, bang a couple.
Put some holes in there. I've got some holes in there.
Put a couple of holes in it,
Oh,
but
it's better, but it's still running without it.
yeah, but how hard did you chase him? Or like, did you lead and lead first?
Yeah,
And
no,
then
chase first and then.
okay,
Right here.
yeah, someone's here.
Let's see if we can set that down.
Yeah,
Bit earlier.
the fan. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so today they're actually gridding out the back just to keep it away from all the public and stuff. So we're just out the back here. I think Matty J and Ra might have a turn together. We're going to try and get out there for another practice. Car isn't getting as hot, but it is just is what it is really. Thought I'd come and you know, sit in my car. Let's crack up having no passenger seat. Oh, I better chuck my helmet on too. I don't think I could drive like this. It's too far away from me. I'm fucking straight arm. But yeah, just chilling, waiting in line. He's gonna have a battle with Andy, and yeah, see how that goes. Sick actually. Ra did really well in the chase as well. My car's super laggy, so it's real hard to go up against a V8 like that. But hopefully it's not getting too hot. We're gonna get James, I think, to come in, put the temp cuts up a little bit and put the fans on a bit earlier. But here comes David and Adam. Sick. The weather's really nice, it's really dry, so yeah, should be a good day. Boys are straight on the job. Fucking sweet. Sweet, sweet.
More in there?
Yeah, bro.
Got something going on under here. Something's loose and causing a bit of a knock.
Better.
Hey?
Nah, that's heaps better.
Yeah, bro.
Right, they're gonna bolt the wheel back on and just done the C-spin at the bottom one back up, or tighter. the locking collar, but hopefully that's alright.
I swear you get your car back better whenever you loan it out.
Nah, it's still bad.
It acts better.
And everyone else fixes it.
That's exactly how it works.
You get it back better.
That's right.
Better fun?
Nah, oh, a little bit, but it's still bad.
It's the wheel bearing, eh?
Still be the wheel bearing's been iffy from day one, so
It's better if it comes back red.
it's done a lot of fucking.
That's why I wanted to rent it to you, so that you can fix it.
Chuck a set of wheel bearings at it, boy. So yeah, what they're gonna do is change the wheel bearing. So we're gonna steal one from over here from the Laurel, our parts car from brother Andy. So it's just chilling over here. Yeah, we're gonna get into that, rip this one off, and yeah, get into it. He's sorted.
Kenny from
Shot Kenny, McFarlane Autos.
hooking it up.
You need anything, mate? Hit them up. Rotorua Locals.
$500 warrants on anything.
$500 warrants on anything. Oh, you do have to, yeah, bro.
Okay, I'll go whack.
Yeah, we need those studs. Oh no. Oh, it's a GK Tech. It's a GK Tech hub. I didn't know that. But yeah, need to run that for the wheels. But yeah, these studs have been cut enough to fit the wheels on. I don't know what the fuck's going on. But it's all over here. Yep. We on or? Oh, so it's Andy's ones with the GK Tech ones.
I don't know.
Fine, alright, you put that thing together.
Hey?
You.
Good for you, eh?
Kind.
Hi.
Hello. I'll just put 3 on.
Yeah, cheap, eh? Trying to find some studs over here. Why you just whacked them? Oh, because mine were welded in, eh? Yeah, that was a... Matty J did that.
I did.
We did that a long time ago. But this one here was actually Andy's, and yeah, he runs a spacer. That's why the nuts are cut. So yeah, we got to try and find some more new studs to bash through that one, and then yeah, we can run it because this bearing is sweet. Oh well.
Got no way of checking the oil level, Ricky. Got no way of checking the oil level. Not really, no.
Oh dear.
No, I go back on anyway, like there's nothing obvious there, so.
Something's not very good here, team. Big sad. We'll see what we can sort out. So yeah, unfortunately, Andy's lost a motor. Whether it's got a bottom end knock or something. So that fucking sucks. His last practice went out and just yeah, something's gone on inside there, and yeah, he's yeah, lost a motor, which is you know the worst thing that can happen really. So yeah, that sucks. But yeah, the boys are just over here putting Kenny's car back together, or Andy's spare car back together, and then we can yeah hopefully put the right ones on. Brad's here, and yeah, we'll get the right studs and put them in my car, and hopefully we can get my car back together as soon as we've got like an hour and a half. Alright, so another thing they've got here is the Street Kings, like a bit of a hard park, so I'll take you guys for a little bit of a walk around quickly. We saw this Subi last night, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, some sweet cars. 25 to 33. Mean 33 there. This thing. Shit. Unfortunately, Simon's car's over here all bent up. Ethan's truck. Oh, Mama's car. Boss 14. That's a GTR. Yeah, okay, nice. Nice. 34, couple of 34s here. There's some sweet cars here. I'll walk up this way. Stage, couple of, oh, a few stages. Holy shit! Look at them all. That's sweet. Shit. And then we got Richard's Mini up here. Richard's Mini looking sweet as always. Bentley used to have one of these. Relic, my favourite 33 hatch. Got a Sora, Casey's MX-5. 32 coupe. Was it? No, it's not GDR, is it? 15 on forums. That's fucking cool. I'm a fan of that. Evo 10. One day we ought to have one of them. Evo 1. 33, 15. Another Evo 10. Subi wagon. 15. Clean Altezza. Laurel. Yeah. And that front lip on that 15's sick. And then we got a few more over here. Jess's 6.2. Shan's Betty. Yeah. Audi wagon's sick. And we got 180. 180. Yeah. 300ZX, that's looking mean actually. That's cool. So yeah, there's a few cars here. It's a mean day. The gates are going to open soon, so for the public. So yeah, they'll have the gates open shortly, and public can come in, and we'll be getting into battles in about an hour. So yeah, looking forward to that. Hopefully they can sort my car out, have it all back together, new wheel bearing, and yeah, Ra said that they've got a plan, so I'll just leave the boys to it. They can do whatever the fuck they want with my car, and just as long as he gets out there and makes it happen. Right, so we got our hub back on, that's half decent. It's gonna work?
It's my old one.
Is it yours?
It's my old one.
Did we go to your house?
Yeah. Remember how Dean Young bought the...
Oh, and was it sitting in Australia?
Yeah, for Kelvin.
So we got that one? Safe. Alright, oh well, who cares, we're back on.
Doesn't have the balls.
That's a future sponsor.
Who's our future sponsor? All round fire protection. So we're here with Harper.
Touchy around here.
You having a good day? Yeah? We're here with Nana and Harry? Yeah? Which car's your favourite? All of them? Wow. You gotta say what Nick's doing. What's he doing? So car's back on the ground. Torque them up, and we'll see how it goes. Alright, pedals are about to start.
I got the bro Matty J. Fucker, yeah, he's fucking on, so good luck to him and good luck to myself, really.
Yeah, just don't fuck it up.
Yeah.
Just don't fuck it up. Lose honourably. Alright, I'll come with you. Let's make it happen. David's over here giving out perky nanas. Yoo-hoo. The pits are going off because every car's getting back up there. So, me and Brad are going to go watch. Might go jump in pit lane and make sure that Ra's all good to go. And yeah, It's game time.
He
So
will be. He's got an RV now,
unfortunately, oh, what do you got there, Bob?
Oh, you know, just a bit of...
Those are cool posters, bro. They're fucking choice, eh? Use the free posters that we gave them for CDS. Beautiful. Come on, Ra. Matty J. The boys having a bit of a corridor out there in the middle.
Oh, you might...
Hey? So I think the boys have got a mechanical down there. I think it's... Oh, Matty J. Should we go? We'll run down there, eh? Sweet, so yeah, Matty's had a bit of a mechanical going on. What's our go?
Oh, he fucking Paul Cunner's clutch was stuck on.
Oh.
But he could do a rolling start, it's just whether they will let him or not.
Okay. That was a good run, bro. That was a good run.
It was hard because he dropped down on early, got on the shallow line, and I was like, fuck.
Slowed you up.
Yeah, so I just tried to do the best that I could, really.
No, that was good, bro. That still was solid.
That was perfect. Like, again, it was put off and you knew how to get back onto that line. That was stuck.
No, that was good, bro. I mean. So yeah, Matty's actually got a clutch issue, so they have to do like a push start to try and engage the gear. Hopefully he can get going. Fuck, it stinks like clutch. Alright, come on, brother. Get it done, eh? Bring it home, brother. Now let's run back. Come on, Ra. Shot out, Matty! Shot, Matty!
Thank you very much. My digger is now turned up and stoked about it. But anyway, we're back to the drifting.
What? Yeah! No, that's... They've done a lead and a chase. Who cares? You got it, boy! Let me, fuck it! Come over here.
Oh, true, wasn't it?
Yeah, they were like, do a full rerun. Well, why? Just do the run again.
We're good.
So yeah, Raz through to the top 8 against Sean. Can you leave my doors alone? They're the only good part on the car.
No, like the whole ride. When you yeah, it's like real nice. I wanted a mean battle.
Yeah.
That's for reliability. Reliability is the key, really.
Yeah, bro.
You got big respect for what you did there anyway.
Oh, you gave him a hell of a good shot you could. Yee-hee. Shot brothers. Yeah. Woo! See, the boys are back on. A little bit of pressure's out.
Yeah.
Alright, time to go again, my bro. Give it shit. Alright, you guys go and have fun.
Always.
Put on a fucking show. And bring it home, my bro. Bro, these are on, eh? The old core flute.
Alright, you guys throw some gang signs out, eh?
Got a record for it.
Yeah, a bit of a tire pressure thing down here, eh?
Gang signs round the last corner.
Yeah.
All the way.
East side and west side, my bro.
I want to see 2 hands out the window.
How the fuck can they see anything coming
How did they smoke out already?
Because they're scrubbing out there.
Oh, they.
Come on, Ra. Come on, my bro. Go, boy! Go, boy! Yee-hoo-hoo! No! Come on, boys. Yeah, boy, well done, Sean. So Sean got the win. Holy shit. Solid run. Solid runs from the boys. Holy. Well done, boys. Gangster brother. Gangster brother. Well done, my bro. Fucking solid. Good shit, boy. So yeah, Ra's just been knocked out in the top 8 against Sean. You can't lose to a better person, so hell of a battle still. It was sick, and Sean didn't hurt my car, didn't hurt the doors, so yeah, amazing driving from both of them. And yeah, just fuck, it was just sick. That was awesome. So yeah, well done to Ra on driving the ass out of my car, making it happen. Solid, bro. Yeah, hey, losing to that cunt, bro, does not matter. Bro, that was mean.
I was just trying to hit his
Just after him, mate. Yeah, leave it running, just leave it running. Well done, bro. Well done, brother.
Fuck, that was all.
The meanest battles, eh? Got the Milwaukee to cool the car down. Just a 1-2 combo to the nose, bro, that'll do. Fuck you two are on, dog.
My daughter, I'm like, you know what, yeah.
Bro, mean. Mean. Well, this cunt just won the championship anyway, so who gives a shit? This guy wins the championship, takes out our car, no worries. You fucking did me, girl. Did me well, girl. Fucking oath. Super pumped. Fuck no. Engine swap on, Margie. Fuck yeah, that was sick. And actually on that note, I'm gonna go and have a few drinks and hang out with everyone without the camera, so I'm gonna call it a day here. Massive thanks to everyone that's been a part of this. Ra's crew and the boys for getting the car, getting my car up to scratch for him and making it usable, and you know, and him for just driving the ass off it. It was awesome to watch. Yeah, TV time and all that for Choice Events is awesome, and yeah, just can't thank everyone enough. So Nick, Bun, Bronson, Dane, Shantala, the girls, everyone, it's been a hell of a time. It's just good fun being out here. So yeah, time to pull up a chair and just go and watch, and yeah, we'll get back out there, and maybe next year we'll bring Big Bird back to D1 or something. But for now, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks heaps, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Cheers.